two next-gen AI video tools, one cinematic, one avatar-driven. In 2025, which one really delivers? On the left, Higgsfield, turning your photos into movie-like scenes. And on the right, Heygen, creating multilingual avatar videos for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what really matters. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. All right, let's lay out the game plan. We're comparing Higgsfield and Heygen across 5 key areas: pricing, video quality, AI features, speed and ease of use, and target audience. Here's the mind map, so you know exactly what to expect as we go deep. Okay, let's kick things off with pricing, because, yeah, we all care about our wallets. So Higgsfield actually gives you 5 credits free every day, which is kind of wild if you just want to play around or do quick tests. Their paid plan sits at about $17 a month, and it's super clear how their credits work. But if you're hoping for long videos or crisp 4K exports, there are some caps. You max out at 5-second clips and 720p. Now, flipping to Heygen, you get 3 free videos a month unless you go premium. And while there's annual discounts and more options for big teams, honestly, that watermark on the free tier can be a little embarrassing. Plus, for larger teams, it can get pricey. And I've seen some folks complain about slower rendering. So for beginners or creators on a budget, Higgsfield kind of sneaks the win here, mostly thanks to its generous free tier and straightforward pricing. Next up, video quality. All right, this is the eye candy category. Higgsfield is really fun here. It gives you those super dynamic camera moves, dramatic zooms, and visual effects that make your still images pop. But lip sync? Yeah, it could use some love. And if you want to customize every detail, options are a bit limited. Now, Heygen, on the other hand, is all about polished, professional avatars. Their lip sync, honestly, really solid. Plus, you can make longer videos, and the speech looks fluid. But if you go from photo to video, Heygen keeps the background kind of boring. Like, no Harry Potter magic there. Sometimes quality depends on which avatar you pick too, so choose wisely. So both have strengths, and it's honestly a tie in video quality for now. I can't pick a definitive winner. On to AI features, and this is where Heygen really flexes. Higgsfield gives you AI avatars and a neat canvas editor, so you can do image to video and even play with text to video. Cool, right? But it drops the ball a bit on language support and script automation. You don't get much if you want full creative control, especially for global audiences. Meanwhile, Heygen, it's got everything. Full script support, multilingual dubbing in over 30 languages, voice cloning, and tons of avatar choices. Like, if you're building training modules for a worldwide team, this is your playground. Sometimes the setup feels a bit heavy for complex stuff, but I mean, that's the price for so many features. Heygen definitely takes this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know both of these tools are getting new features almost every month? So whatever you pick today could look totally different by the end of 2025. Just something to keep on your radar. Speed and ease of use. So important if you're cranking out videos or just want things to work. Higgsfield, the UI is super straightforward, definitely beginner-friendly, and you get quick, stylized results. But renders can feel slow and, yeah, the processing happens in line, so it's less snappy at times. Heygen's a bit of a beast here. Fast rendering, templates galore, and more friendly for non-expert users. But ironically, having so many options can get confusing, especially if you're new. Still, if you want something fast and scalable, Heygen wins out. Now let's talk target audience. So, who's this all for? Higgsfield totally speaks to the YouTuber crowd, educators, and anyone needing short, artistic clips. If you live on Instagram or TikTok, you'll probably vibe with its style. Downside, not the go-to for anyone needing longer, business-style video presentations. Heygen, this is basically built for marketers, edtech teams, and anyone doing training, courses, or ads. It's got the polish enterprises want. But, and it's kind of funny, you lose out on those wild cinematic moves Higgsfield offers. Both target their niche as well, so let's call it a tie here. Look at this chart. It's kind of wild how close the scores are in some categories, but Heygen just edges ahead in features and speed, while Higgsfield wins out for pricing. So it's not a blowout. If you live for quick, cinematic, photo-driven videos, like you want to animate your memories for fun or socials, Higgsfield should probably be your first choice. But if you're doing professional stuff, need multilingual support, or training content for a team, Heygen is the obvious pick. Ultimately, think about budget, how long your videos need to be, and language needs. Those 3 will basically make the decision for you. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.